Hello guys, welcome to BioTube Academy. Imagine a patient loses a large amount of blood in an accident or during a major surgery. Without immediate treatment, that person's life could be in danger. This is where blood transfusion becomes a life-saving medical procedure. But what exactly is a blood transfusion? Who can donate blood to whom? And what happens if a patient receives the wrong blood type? Let's find out. Segment 1, What is blood transfusion? A blood transfusion is a medical procedure in which blood or one of its components is transferred from a healthy donor to a patient through a vein. Its main purpose is to replace blood that has been lost due to injury, surgery, severe bleeding, or certain medical conditions. Today, doctors usually transfuse only the specific blood component that a patient needs, such as red blood cells, plasma, platelets, or clotting factors, instead of giving whole blood. This makes blood transfusion safer and more effective. Segment 2, Why is blood compatibility important? Not all blood types are compatible with each other. Before a blood transfusion, doctors must carefully match the donor's blood with the recipient's blood. If incompatible blood is transfused, the recipient's immune system recognizes the donor's red blood cells as foreign. As a result, antibodies attack the donated red blood cells, causing them to clump together. This process is called agglutination. These clumped red blood cells can block blood vessels and may eventually break apart, releasing hemoglobin into the bloodstream. This is known as hemolysis. A severe transfusion reaction can damage vital organs such as the kidneys and may even become life-threatening. Segment 3, Blood compatibility. The ABO blood group system plays the most important role in blood transfusion. People with blood group A can receive blood from A and O donors. People with blood group B can receive blood from B and O donors. People with blood group AB can receive blood from A, B, AB, and O, making them the universal recipients. People with blood group O can receive blood only from blood group O. The Rh factor is also important. For example, Rh-negative patients should usually receive Rh-negative blood to avoid immune reactions. Because O-negative blood has no A, B, or Rh antigens, it is known as the universal donor for red blood cell transfusions. Segment 4, Safety before blood transfusion. Before every blood transfusion, hospitals perform several safety checks. First, the patient's blood group is confirmed. Next, doctors perform a crossmatch test to ensure that the donor's blood is compatible with the patient's blood. The donated blood is also carefully screened for infections such as HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and syphilis. Throughout the transfusion, healthcare professionals closely monitor the patient for any signs of an allergic or transfusion reaction. These precautions make modern blood transfusions very safe. Segment 5, Benefits and risks. Blood transfusions save millions of lives every year. They are commonly used during major surgeries, severe injuries, childbirth complications, cancer treatment, and blood disorders such as severe anemia. Although blood transfusions are generally very safe, they may occasionally cause allergic reactions, fever, or, in rare cases, serious immune reactions. That is why proper blood matching is extremely important. Segment 6, Conclusion. Let's quickly summarize. A blood transfusion is a medical procedure that replaces lost blood or blood components. Safe transfusions depend on correct blood group matching, careful testing, and proper medical supervision. Understanding blood compatibility helps doctors save lives while preventing dangerous transfusion reactions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BioTube Academy, and turn on notifications for more fascinating biology and medical science videos. See you in the next video.